Wow. Morning. Today is Sunday, November 1. Mangligbos ming angkol, oh. Pangita mig ligbos. Ambot bitaw yun. So, kapag pangita og ligbos, no. Gusto ko mangita, mag-try og ano, pangita og ligbos, pero they said some of them are poisonous. So, it's not good. But anyway, naami sa lasang. Oh my gosh, daghag ligbos dire. Naami sa lasang ron. We actually drove I think around 30 minutes away from the city, but namalik mino kay puno kayo ang lasang diato, daghan kayo siyag tao. So namalik mi diri, hala daghan kayo weird nga kanang ligbos nya. Namalik mi diri sa kuan lasang nga duol-duol sa city, no. Pero but I don't think mao ni siya ang kanang pwede makaon, no. Weird kayo siya. Mura siya gyahong. I've actually had these boots for like 3 years now or something.
Yeah, you never use them.
2 years, but I never use them because they sit like weird in my foot.
Same with this one, baby.
But he said that that's how it should be. I maybe just need to get used to it. Oh my gosh, look at this mud. We cannot have this inside the car now. Oh, I've been out this whole weekend. I was out yesterday and then today also.
Because she's a girl and she just likes to have fun.
Whoa! Ah, there's a big one. That one and that one. But you can't hardly even see them because they're like camouflage.
Yeah.
Maybe you could eat this one.
I don't think so.
Ihisayro oy.
I don't think so.
There's a little one in there even. And there's also that one. And there's little ones in there. Wow.
It's totally waterproof. Look how it just come off. That's the wax.
Oh yeah.
You see?
Stop it now.
But it doesn't come in.
Buang also din man. Kaya sila lolo o lola ba? Mountain. It looks really ugly. I don't see any. Only bulbul. Bulbul. We are looking for
They have.
fireplace.
Yeah, just get have one.
Hindot kayo lang lasang diaroy. Wajay tayo, no? Tayo. No one!
We found a hiding place.
I really need to pee.
Go. It's hiding there, baby.
Okay. Mangihi tanong. Awa. Meron siyang pangwakwak, no? Ang baliti. Pwede ka di ari malibang, oy. We found a mountain. Not really a mountain, but a hill. Basta buntod, no? Buntod. Buntod ato, no? Sakto na mong buntod, oy. He said to me he's going to take me to the fireplace where we could make fire.
Yeah, why are you so impatient?
Because there's nothing. Okay, do that.
It fell off.
Come no.
It's gone. I have to get another one.
Come sa.
Okay.
I cannot. Ow, nasty.
You have to do like that, otherwise it will not stick.
What do you call that animal?
A rhino.
Let me see. Wait, I cannot see it that way. Like this, like this. Yeah, we found it actually. So it's really just in here. But we cannot even make fire.
Why not?
There is no wood. We have to get it ourselves. It's like you could also grill in there. But it's like if you walk with friends or something, play uke or something like that, just sing in here. It's nice. So you cannot just make fire here anywhere you want. You need to have this one before, or else it's not allowed. Come no! Looking for what? Night Lima, we go up there in the mountain. Uy, hala ka nindot siya, oy. Pero ang kigwa, no, di siya gusto mo adto dito sa buntod. Buntod. Gusto ko mo adto dito sa buntod, uy. Nindot lagi siya dito. Baka no, baka. Baka kang bako. Dagang karniro, oy. Nara ang amahan sa karniro. Ay, kadaghan po itai, oy. There's a guy there with a bike. This is so nice. It's so cool. We haven't been here. And this is actually not too far away from the city. You ready? You are ready. Recently I have been watching documentaries about like Everest or about Mount Everest, like how they climb. I feel like, okay, this is how I will climb the Everest. Agoy. Agoy, uy. Binhod sa bugan, oy. Agoy, 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 agoy. My Sherpa guide is so far away from me. Agoy, Jesus. I'm so far away from the top. From the summit. Bebe! I'm still in the Hillary step. Hillary step, so I have to reach the summit. Agoy. Ah, this is no fun. My legs hurt. We are in the South Col. Wala sa kukurik dito, no? Gapa kayo, eh. You should be giving me oxygen, baby. I'm reaching the summit. I'm already in the Hillary step. Base camp. We can never go to Everest, so this is going to be my own Everest. High five. We made it. He didn't give me oxygen. It's quite cold. Yeah. There. Oh, wow. I'm here. I reached the top. I summited. I summited. Hilas na po ko, no? Hangin lang kasi, no? Descending. Descending the summit or something. My Sherpa is here. Oy, tugnaw kayo, oy. So I have my hat on. We are descending now from the summit. But it's very cold. You actually could bring your kid here if you want. We are already back at the base camp. Oh, but you're not even in the camera, baby.
Only my belly.
You're too high.
My big belly.
You're too high. It will give you electric, that one, oh.
Yeah.
Anong alambre.
Don't pee on it.
My Sherpa with his pink. You look so cute. Cute. Nah, di okay. Di correct, no.
Okay.
No, he shut up because I have the video.
Should we go?
Mm-hmm. He was speaking to me like so weird Filipino words because somebody was passing by. They all think that he's speaking Filipino to me.